Hi guys, welcome for today's video, and today we're going to Tower. No? Ano to sinabi ko? Pero anyways, kulayan ko lang sarili ko saglit. Wait lang. Kung kailan tapos na, tsaka ko lang anuhin. Am I okay or not? Pero anyways, since nakita nyo naman na yan, si Kuya na Karma. Kala mo ha, aanahin mo pa ako aanahin mo pa ako ha. Yan nakukuha ng mga troller, ganun. Okay, let's go chill and talk. Okay, dyan si Kuya nakaantay, so may nangyayari or baka hindi siya ready. Bawal yan di na ba tayo makakaintindihan niya? We can talk about this. Kaya ka tinuturo ni Kuya Tapos si Kuya, natry ba si Kuya o hindi? Parang nakita ko siya duman dun sa kabilang side. Wait lang. Add ko lang to si Kuya. Nangaantay. Tsaka hindi nang troll. Let's just go get things. Now, let's go in here. Let's go. Again. Color myself. There you go. Malay mo bigla may monster na maka-appeared. Okay, let's log in. Bro, I want it. Give it to me. Give it. Oh, I cannot. I'm poor. Let's just go. Joke lang. Okay, may nakakantaan kasi doon Let's go. Okay, now there you go. You can get it. Si Kuya ay ginagawa. Akala ko ito troll. Pero muntik na rin ako doon at the same time. Oops. Let's just jump over this. Nothing can happen. Uy. I swear muntik na ako doon malaglag. Dapat pala kinulayan ko self ko. Okay, let's log in. Baka malaglag ako. I'm not ready to fall. Kakasabi ko lang malalaglag ako. Nalaglag nga talaga. Bye. I'm gonna end this. But first, let's get our treasure. Seriously. Para at least that's enough, okay?